First, the top stories. Thousands of troops deployed to help fight Amazon fires. Muslim body opposes changes to Manipur territorial integrity. And Rohingya refugees mark second anniversary of their exodus. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Hundreds of new fires are raging in the Amazon rainforest in Brazil. Thousands of troops were made available to help fight the worst blazes in years following a global outcry. Multiple fires billowing huge plumes of smoke into the air were seen across a vast area of the northwestern state of Rondônia on Friday. The light clouds hanging over the city of 500,000 people was actually smoke from the blazes that had scorched swaths of land and left tree trunks smoldering on the ground. The fires in the world's largest rainforest have triggered a global uproar and are a major topic of concern at the G7 meeting in Varennes in southern France. Official figures show 78,383 forest fires have been recorded in Brazil this year, the highest number of any year since 2013. While welcoming the efforts of the government of India to bring a final political solution to the vexed Naga problem, the influential Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO today said that it cannot accept changes to Manipur territorial integrity in the process. We welcome the ongoing peace process between the center and NSC and IM and the former's effort to find a final solution, but it should not be allowed to infringe upon the territorial integrity of Manipur. MMWA General Secretary Aminuddin Moizing Mayum told a press meet at Minuthong Hafiz Hatta, Imphal. He also expressed serious concern over the recent appointment of Naga Talks interlocutor RN Ravi as Governor of Nagaland and said, we should remain alert.
I am also Government of India the Laiba Warusin say Narun the Losina Honor Matargadi. Lamdam Masida Laiba, Purup Kudingmak, Siba Masung Hingba Nigilang the Southern Leblakani, Lamdam Asigi Pangal Singso, Mausa de Gihona, the Lamdam Masigi Miang interest, Aduga, Lamdam Masigi territorial integrity, Yamna di Naxening by Tarene, Asigno Kompomse, Nasisu, Kompom, Yamsina, lay behind a Medega Mangatamzegi.
Thousands of angry and frustrated Rohingya refugees marked the second anniversary of their exodus from Myanmar into Bangladesh today by demanding their citizenship and other rights in the country they fled from. The event came days after Bangladesh, with the help of the UN Refugee Agency, attempted to start the repatriation of 3,450 Rohingya Muslims, but none agreed to go back voluntarily. Myanmar has scheduled August 22nd for the beginning of the process, but it failed for a second time after the first attempt last November. The repatriation deal is based on an understanding that the return has to be safe, dignified and voluntary. The refugees also insisted on receiving Myanmar citizenship and other rights, which the Buddhist majority nation has refused to grant so far. The Excise Department, Thawal District, destroyed a large quantity of illicit liquor in front of the office of Deputy Superintendent of Excise, Thawal today. Inspector of Thawal Excise Department, L. Dino, said the department destroyed illicit liquor worth rupees 5,12,388, where Sub-Inspector of Thawal Police Station, A. Nokul Chandra, Sub-Inspector of Hairok Police Station, K.H. Samananda, and staff members of Thawal Excise were also present. Decrying bad roadways condition, Women Welfare Association, a local body, has threatened to block Laisram Leirak and Laimayam Leirak in Langthabal Kunjawang Leikai of Imphal West. Executive member of the association, Laisram Ibeyaima, while talking to media, cautioned the Manipur government they might shut the lanes in case repair work is not taken up within this month. She wrote that the concerned government department has been ignoring the issue for the past 12 years.
Laisu tambagi karigi satliba mayamse yam nungai tarabani nongsing taraga sappa yadrabani adegi sida drain nung karigra amata kano tawda laitrabani na akhoi gi ising je sempham laitare aduna karigumba masi yamna athuba matamda mari rainaba singna yengbiraga angtang sembiyo kaigumba sembida taragadi akhoi gi satliba little lodagi na sida phawriba lambi khudimakse akhoi loina thingjallakani.
The 39th Foundation Day of Divine Nongpok Ningthau Youth Club, the NNYC, was celebrated at Kunal Devi Mandop Leikai of Hairokpatu today. Simple gifts were presented to 35 senior citizens of the locality during the function. Former headmaster of Chingdompok High School, Thokchom Chaurzet, president of the NNYC Laisram Krishnananda, and several others attended the event.
Koina yukhaning ba adagi migi tungi kaino jingje pa tungi akhoi naharon jingjina lumbi wer kadu mo khoi singsina akhoi aphaba ma werang na base akhoi nga arenge ima khone iramda miyam gi apun ba khorjai lup haisina angam mateng pangdana semganing bai mongda dum semga chak August ki manung sida akhoi Sunday nongmai jing khuding akhoi August ki aroi ba numit Sunday je aroi ba nongmai jing numit sida akhoi gi program ase akhoi changdam na ba sayeng changdam na che chahi khuding gi tawkani aduga chahi khuding gi chu akhoi gi aphaba sayeng thiba atai dei je mayam che puthokani haina akhoi khanjaduna akhoi tawjabani aduna mayam na jo akhoi ju yamna sajok ti pipi rei amna mateng tengbang bi rei aduna mase semana akhoi ngamna ba yare ma kai khwada chakani.
Iramdam Miyamgi Apunba Khorzei Lop Ima Khol organized its 6th Literary Meet 2019 at MDU Hall, Yai School, Police Lane today. Governor of Manipuri Language Advisory Board, Nongmai Them Kiran Kumar, and President of Ima Khol, R.K. Gunachandra, were on the dais during the function. A poem recitation program was also held as part of the event. General Secretary of Ima Khol, Ibomcha Langpok Lakpa, said the literary meet encourages young generation in their future endeavor in the field of writing. The N Baby Sana Joint Action Committee JAC has called for a series of relay hunger strikes in Thangmaiban area of Imphal West. Relay hunger strikes were earlier planned at various locations of Thangmaiban constituency, namely Kangjabi Leirak, Chungkham Leikai, Khoiram Leikai, Maisam Leirak, Seram Leirak, Nauksekpam Leikai, and Takhelmam Leikai, which were foiled by cops. But Maira Paibi volunteers of these 7 localities held a sit-in protest at Khoiram Leikai Mandab and took a firm decision to continue with the relay hunger strike protest. But cops dispersed the demonstration and picked up the protesters. Talking to media, Saityabhama Khwairakpam, one of the protesters, strongly condemned the police action and demanded that all JAC members who were picked up by police today should be released immediately.
Min pubiriba asawa sangsina isabi bisna sibu mama ki masuni na taga masani habi bakalonda pusan biraga yam nusina ai isa haliba ai isu haliba je kana anu habdu puthukpiraga matik chaba danti pibiu eba amma natabagum da khongaw na daga akoi bu yam na thina chang rok lang rona wai athi arba yaudana ngang ba sapa yam yawi mase akoi man tengdal jaba yam yaujare adu mayam ju to hon biganu.
Well, it's time now for a short break, but coming up, a short story booked by Dr. Nongmai Them Pramodini titled Lean Amasung Leichon released. More after the break.
Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Haripriya Chongrang giving you news in
Hana na fanglamba kang Lawfood ki product singi mathakta anuba product sing haibadi Milky Balls asomya mixture amadi alu bhujia na chingba sing asi hauzik iramdam gi kaithel da fangle Kangla gi anuba product sing asi mayam su amungtang mahau yingbi
Kangla napi singnang hoba mafam sing matam changhandana sengdokpa aduda sunatana singkup chana kaklaba napina leibak lehauk su phagat hanba yare achouba sanabungi napi changmanana kakpagi damak waningai leitre sijinabiu grass cutter amadi mulcher awaimal pungda lupa lising amaga chamnga contact tobiu Manipur Farm Hotel near Sainik School Impal Manipur gilabuk sing sangalasi chahi chupa
Salai Holdings Private Limited na leibak miyam da khanganjaba Salai Holdings Private Limited ki Honorable Chairman and Managing Director Dr. Narengbam Samarjit Singh masa hujik business trip ki damakta Salai gi overseas company sing yengchinba galonena tongan ba pipeline da leiriba tongan ba country sing da tanatana India amadi maruoina North East ki oina Manipur yauna paket kadaba mega project sing adu gi damakta overseas bank singa stakeholder oiminabagi maruoiba meeting sing yauba amadi meeting sing conduct toba satkibana maram oirega tongan ba club CSO lanai gi furup ki lining gi amadi culture ga mari lena ba khudimagna Salai gi lusing Purel Oibiribana, Halaktri Faubutan, Hibining Ba, Tambining Makudimak, Ngaibinaba, Miam the Nolukchari, Nolukna Hajariba, Board of Directors, Salai Holdings Private Limited.
Welcome back after the break. A short story book written by Dr. Nomaitim Pramodini titled Lin Amasung Leichon was released at the premises of Library and Information Center, Kakching. Today's book release function was held as a part of the 315 Special Sunday observed by Library and Information Center with an objective to improve the academic performance of young students. Vice President of Library and Information Center, Mayang Lambam Kunjakeso, Vice President of Sahitya Seva Samiti Manipur, Yambem Satya attended the function as main guest. Talking on the sidelines of the occasion, author Dr. N. Pramodini said that her new book is a compilation of 9 short stories written both in Bengali and Meitei scripts.
Learning through reading books and through music, through different medium aina promote tawzabani aduga hiden da chumthang haibase hiden haibana akhoi gi port oiba akhoi safe harbor oiba aduga chumthang aisina akhoi gi rainbow akhoi different ideas, diverse thoughts, diverse stories myam se putok chading ba aduga yamna talented oiba Manipuri artists, Manipuri writers myamna contribute tawzarakpani adugi I hope that many people would read this loinmak mi myamna pabiraga.
A 5-day-long skill development training on beekeeping jointly organized by NABARD and PESCH concluded today at Nungkau Part 3 of Tamenglong District. Altogether, 43 individuals took part in the training. They were given certificates on completion of the training on apiculture. Chairman of Nungkau Village, Namguigang Kamai, also attended the closing day, where Director of Bee Care and Research Center, Jiribam H. Rajan, attended as resource person. Rotary Club of Imphal, in collaboration with Authority of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Porompat, Imphal, today conducted a tree plantation program under the theme Save Mother Earth in the surrounding areas of Jenims. Over 300 saplings were planted during the program. President of Rotary Club Imphal, W. Robi Chandra, said that the objective of the event was an effort to help keep a check on climate change.
Director amadi MS Kalunana koi punna organized dominary tree plantation asi koi pithibi seida ahinga sagi marumda khongai ba mayam sing asi khadoi su check tobang amna ba koi na save mother art haiba theme asi da koi na pangthok jabani
thariba u sing se moina yengchan bi bai sing chai bi ba akoi na su chalaga yengchan ba ado ngasi gi u sing si hingan ba se u thaba do koi pandam ni adubo u hingdragadi u thabagi pandam leite aduna thariba u sing sisu hinganabagi akhoi kan honajagi haiba sa thamjari.
A one-day tree plantation program under the supervision of Councillor of Thoubal Municipal Council, Ward Number 9, Ibo Chauba, was conducted near Thoubal Eco Path today. The program was jointly organized as part of Green Manipur Mission by NYC, Nongangkhong Jupiter Club, Bamon Leirak, SSDC Mayai Leirak, PYDA Pakhangkhong Leirak, and EYSCA Thoubal Achauba. Various saplings were planted during the program. With an aim to protect and preserve the catchment area and to reduce the problem of environmental issues, a mass tree plantation drive was carried out today at Phayeng Water Reservoir catchment area. The drive, which was participated by people from different walks of life, including persons with differently abled, was jointly organized by Forest and Environment Department, Government of Manipur and Phayang Gram Panchayat. Talking to Tom TV, Forest and Environment Department Deputy Director T. Brajakumar maintained that such drives would enable the people of Phayang to get sufficient water supply for both irrigation and drinking purposes. He added that the move will be a great help in reducing global warming and other environmental problems. Phayang Pradhan Angom Syamasakhi also said that tree plantation drive can help solve environmental problems and scarcity of water. Voluntary Network for Green Earth VNGE organized a tree plantation drive at Khangabok under the theme The Unexpected Dedication to XYG. The plantation drive was dedicated to Manipur Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah, Chief Minister N. Biren, Cabinet Ministers, Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Police, Thoubal District, officials of Health Department, Superintendent of Police, Kaching and spokespersons of the state. Network convener L. Devan said that more than 3,000 saplings have been planted around Khangabok in the past 4 years. The cross-regulator dam of Lilong Athaukhong, which had been lying defunct for more than 1 decade, has been repaired by Adakshya of Thoubal Jila Parishad, Hasina Begum. Hasina said she approached the Chief Minister for the repair work on the dam and it was carried out under the supervision of Chief Engineer of Water Resource Department 1. She added that it will give relief to the farmers. Secretary of Lilong Social Upliftment and Development Committee, Mohammad Jakir Hussain, lauded the efforts of the Chief Minister and Adakshya. He believes that around 5,000 paddy fields of Ngangau local, Dolai Thabi local will ensure crop yields following repair of the dam. Jakir urged the concerned authority to maintain the dam properly to ensure double cropping in the area in future. He said that the dam can supply water in around 12,000 paddy fields. Youth Adventure for Rural Development Organization Hairok today conducted a one-day free medical camp at the Community Health Center complex of Hairok in Thoubal district. The medical camp was participated by Dr. N. Dayananda, Dr. Lori, Dr. Juliana along with clinical psychologist Dr. T.H. Priyobala, MD and medical officer in charge of Hairok Community Health Center. Dr. Y. Nokul, altogether 171 individuals were given medical treatment during the camp. Besides, they got an oral dose against Japanese encephalitis, dengue and swine flu. Talking on the sidelines of the medical camp, Secretary of YARD T.H. Sudam mentioned the central idea of this event as spreading awareness on homeopathy treatment and precautionary measures against vector-borne diseases. Manipuri students and faculty members of ICFA University Tripura observed the 28th inclusion of Manipuri language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. President of Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Tripura R.K. Jitendrajit Singha, along with Vice Chancellor of ICFA University Rajiv Lochan Parikh, Professor N. Khoibi and Chief Advisor of Lamyanba Organization Wangkhem Birmangal attended the event as main guest. Let's take another short break, but do stay tuned.
Gunamani Eye Clinic is looking for qualified, young and energetic applicants for the following post: optometrist, X-ray technician, clinical assistant or nursing staff. Interested candidates can apply for the above post with their biodata and certificates before 26 August 2019 between 9 AM to 3 PM. Interview will be held on 27 August 2019 at 2:30 PM. Gunamani Eye Clinic, Wangkai Kaithel Asangbi, Imphal East.
Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. Adom gi leijariba sana da yauriba alloy amadi elements kaya gi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity ga loina na khanghanba ngamlagani. lamjingba jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobihau adomgi sana adu sengi natraga sengde haibagi chingnaba adu kokhanbiyo akupa marol gidamak lamjingba jewelry da lengsinbirau
Lamjingba Jewelry. Good quality is our priority.
Studio 11, India's favorite salon and spa, now at Imphal. Our services are haircut, hair straightening, global color, body spa, hair spa, waxing, threading, facial and treatment, hand and feet care, makeup. Body massage. Studio 11, Salon and Spa, Imphal. Look fabulous. Fitness World Building, Singzamai Mathak Chongtham Lekai, Imphal West. Phone number 0385 2440
Welcome back. Former Finance Minister Arun Jaitley cremated at Nigambod Ghat with full state honours. In the presence of leaders from across the political spectrum and scores of his admirers and party workers, Jaitley's son Rohan performed the last rites. The 66-year-old BJP stalwart passed away at the AIIMS in New Delhi yesterday. Vice President Venkaiah Naidu, BJP veteran L.K. Advani, Party President and Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Party's Working President J.P. Nadda, Union Ministers Nirmala Sitharaman, Smriti Irani and Anurag Thakur, BJP MPs Bijay Goyal and Vinay Saharas Budhe, Congress leaders Jyotiraditya Scindia and Kapil Sibal were among those present at the cremation ground. BJP workers and mourners queued up in large numbers outside the party headquarters since morning to pay their last respects to the leader. Posters remembering Jaitley were put up on the roads leading to the Nigambod Ghat on the banks of the Yamuna River. Friendly Environmental Warriors FEW Jiribam today organized a tree plantation program at Borobera and Jakuradhor of Jiribam district in the presence of District Deputy Commissioner Mayang Rambam Rajkumar. Two more branches of FEW were also opened during the program. They later observed 1 minute silence as a mark of respect to former Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley, who died yesterday.
Vice Chairman Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited की कोई Vice Chairman सुयोग जरी मैम पुल्ले हरगा कोई environment से कंसी है बगी वकलों दिता कोई ऐसी उठा बगी सत्य जरी वो plantation drive से one of the most successful मसीदे यावर जो सातरन हारोल से प्लब यावर हरगा मफम से की ग्राम पंचायत की members सिंह जो प्लब ना participate तो भी हरगा ऐसे कोई plantation drive से सत्तरी.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi today launched the $4.2 million redevelopment project of the 200-year-old Sri Krishna Temple in the Bahraini capital. Modi, the first Indian Prime Minister to visit the key Gulf nation, and offered prayers at the Srinathji Temple in Manama. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. First, the top stories. Thousands of troops deployed to help fight Amazon fires. Muslim body opposes changes to Manipur territorial integrity. And Rohingya refugees mark second anniversary of their exodus. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.